Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes when you apply for a loan or rent an apartment? It's not magic, it's credit reporting agencies. These companies collect information about your financial history, creating a report that lenders and landlords use to assess your creditworthiness. In the U.S., there are three major credit reporting bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Today, we're diving into Equifax, what it does, its importance, and how it affects your financial life. So, what exactly does Equifax tell you? Think of Equifax as a financial biography. It gathers data from various sources, including credit card companies, banks, and even some utility providers. This data paints a picture of your financial habits, how well you manage credit cards, your history of making payments on time, and even how much debt you currently have. Here's a breakdown of the key information Equifax collects. Personal information. This includes your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Credit accounts. Details of your credit cards, loans, mortgages, and any lines of credit you possess. This includes account balances, credit limits, and payment history. Public records. Equifax may also include information from public records like bankruptcies, judgments, and tax liens. Why is Equifax important? Your Equifax credit report plays a crucial role in many aspects of your financial life. Here are some key ways it impacts you. Loan applications. When you apply for a mortgage, car loan, or even a personal loan, lenders will primarily rely on your Equifax report, along with reports from the other bureaus, to determine your eligibility and interest rate. A good credit score with a clean report translates to better loan terms and lower interest rates. Insurance rates. Some insurance companies, particularly for auto and renters insurance, consider your credit score when calculating your premiums. A strong credit score can lead to lower insurance costs. Employment opportunities. While not a standard practice, some employers may use credit reports as part of a background check, especially for positions requiring financial responsibility. How can you access your Equifax report? By law, you're entitled to a free copy of your credit report from each bureau every year. You can request your report directly through Equifax's website at https://www.equifax.com/personal/credit-report-services/free-credit-report/. This allows you to review the information and identify any errors. What happens if there are mistakes in your Equifax report? Errors in your credit report are more common than you might think. Inaccurate information can negatively impact your credit score and financial opportunities. If you find any discrepancies, you can dispute them directly with Equifax through their online portal or by mail. You have the right to challenge the error and request verification from the original creditor. Beyond the basics, taking control of your Equifax report. Here are some additional tips to manage your Equifax report effectively. Monitor your report regularly. Don't wait for an annual report. Utilize free credit monitoring services to stay updated on any changes. Understand your credit score. Knowing your credit score gives you an idea of your creditworthiness. Equifax offers different credit score products, allowing you to track your progress over time. Be proactive about fraud. Identity theft is a growing concern. Consider placing a credit freeze on your Equifax report if you suspect fraudulent activity. This restricts access and prevents unauthorized credit openings in your name. Remember, your Equifax report is a powerful tool that can empower you to achieve your financial goals. By understanding what it tells you and actively managing it, you can secure better loans, lower insurance rates, and open doors to a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.